Hello, let's set up the canvas in Gimp for creating a cool space fractal effect. Start by adding an alpha channel to the background layer and coloring it black. Create a new layer. Draw a circle on it, doesn't matter what color it is. From the Filters menu, find the fractal effect and choose one that you're satisfied with. Color the fractal with the desired color. Create a new layer and place it below the fractal. Select the alpha of the fractal, grow the selection, then, with the bottom layer selected, fill it with the desired color. Temporarily hide the newly created layer and change the fractal's blend mode to dissolve. Duplicate the fractal and place it just above the black background, then apply the noise spread effect to it and position the noise as you want. Select the Uniform Transform tool, hold Shift while rotating the fractal and position it. Repeat this for the green outline below it. Set the green outline's blend mode to luminance. Hide the background and merge visible layers, then crop layer to image size. Use the Color Curves option to drag the left point to the right and right point to the left, which will make dark colors darker and light colors lighter. Almost there. Let's add the water pixels effect, then the sharpen effect. Let's add a supernova too. I'll finalize this image with the bloom effect. Thanks for watching.